Chocolate is the dirtiest food in the world. Its hygiene standards require no more than 60 insect fragments per 100 gram, and no more than 2 mouse hairs. Why such hygiene requirements? I will take you through the cocoa bean processing. Fresh cocoa beans must undergo fermentation. These are freshly picked fruits. At this stage, the cocoa beans are not yet edible. They are sterile until removed from the pods. But when the pods are opened, yeast and bacteria from the environment and insects quickly enter the pulp. These microorganisms come from the local environment and insects. At this point, the cocoa beans begin the first day of fermentation. The juicy barrier surrounding the seeds prevents air from entering. This is the anaerobic fermentation stage. The next 4 days require a second fermentation. Workers flip the beans to the next layer of boxes. This flipping process ensures a more uniform fermentation of the cocoa beans. This stage is full of heat. Ethanol and acetic acid diffuse within the cocoa beans. The co-fermentation process breaks down the cell walls. Proteins and carbohydrates within the cocoa beans create the flavor. These are the states of cocoa beans with different fermentation times of 5 days. These cocoa beans need to be dried for 5 to 7 days. This process inevitably attracts insects and mice. The dried cocoa beans can be ground into chocolate sauce. Do you like eating chocolate?